Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into WP Engine for SEO performance optimization, detailed guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your web browser. In the address bar, type wpengine.com and hit enter. Once the home page loads, locate the login button at the top right corner. Click on the login button to proceed. You will be directed to the WP Engine login page. Enter your email address linked to your WP Engine account in the first field. Next, enter your password in the corresponding field. After filling in your credentials, click the Login button. If you have enabled two-factor authentication, check your authentication app or email for the verification code. Enter the code in the provided field and click Verify. Once logged in, you will be taken to the WP Engine dashboard. From the dashboard, select the environment you want to optimize for SEO. In the Environment Overview, look for the Sites tab on the left sidebar. Click on Sites to access detailed settings for your selected site. Here, you'll find options related to performance optimization. For SEO enhancements, focus on the Performance section first. Review the current caching settings and ensure they're properly configured. Enable or adjust the page caching option if needed. Next, check the Asset Optimization settings. Make sure image optimization and minification of CSS and JavaScript files are enabled. Confirm that your CDN integration is set up for faster content delivery. After making adjustments, navigate to the SEO section of your site settings. Here, you can review and update meta tags and descriptions for better indexing. Ensure that your XML sitemap is generated and submitted to search engines. Finally, log out of your account when finished to secure your site data. Your WP Engine login and SEO performance optimization is now complete. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.